Hey, Levi, happy Tuesday. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. Um, we didn't do much around here. Uh, got some house projects done and um, just enjoyed a weekend at home. So hopefully you had a relaxing weekend too. Today's assignment, I think, is pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'd just hop on in case. Um, I have provided a link for you. We're going to be watching a video in class today about the plains, the Native Americans of the plains in particular. Um, and as you watch, um, you're going to fill in a KWL kind of chart. So as facts are flying at you, you might put it in here like, oh, I already knew that. Or, oh, I read that in the book last week when we studied the Plains people. Or that's something new that I didn't know before. All right. And yeah, I know all the kids are going to say, well, how many do we have to have in each one? Well, you can kind of um, whatever's thorough, but if you need a real number, probably 8 to 10 bullets total. Okay, so maybe there's columns that have more in items in than others, but 8 to 10 total. In your instructions for today, I will have the login information in case Discovery Learning has you log in again. But today's task is to watch the video and take notes. Tomorrow we will begin working on a study guide and our test will be Friday. And so what I need to do is I need to set up a test time with you. So Friday at 2:15 is when I'm available to give you the test. Let me know if Friday works. All right, we'll just do it over Google Meet. You'll have a hard copy of it and I'll just watch you take it as you take it. All right, have a great Tuesday. As always, text or email me with questions. Thanks, Levi.